Wanna come to a Viking party? You can come here to my house and party. We have plenty of food, meat and drinks and everything, and also for vegetarians, so you don't have to eat my roof. No. Don't be afraid. I will not eat you. I will feed you and entertain you. Right, honey?
Hi there! You want to experience a night at the museum? You know, in Westman Islands, we party everywhere. In this tent, we often throw a party like the locals do every year in the valley. Just remember to be quiet. The library is downstairs.
We don't use the old Viking ships anymore. No. We use high-speed ripboats like these ones. We can take you to a remote island or into a cave inside a mountain.